Hi everyone, in today's video, we're talking about 10 popular indoor ornamental plants that not only add charm to your home but may also pose risks if mishandled or ingested by humans and pets. I'll also share helpful tips on how to care for these plants safely, so stick around until the end. Let's get started. First on our list is the Dieffenbachia, also known as dumb cane. It's known for its beautiful, large green leaves with splashes of cream or white. However, its sap contains calcium oxalate crystals that can irritate the mouth, throat, and skin. Care tips: place it in bright, indirect sunlight. Water moderately, allowing the soil to dry between waterings. Safety tip: keep it away from kids and pets. Wear gloves when handling to avoid skin irritation. Next, we have the Philodendron, a favorite for its easy care and ability to thrive indoors. But just like Dieffenbachia, it contains calcium oxalates that can cause mouth irritation and swelling if ingested. Care tips: thrives in moderate to low light conditions. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Safety tip: keep it on high shelves or hang it where kids and pets can't reach it. Pothos, also known as devil's ivy, is a popular hanging plant because of its trailing vines and air-purifying properties. However, if ingested, it can cause mild vomiting and mouth irritation in pets. Care tips: grows best in indirect light but tolerates low light. Water only when the soil is dry to avoid root rot. Safety tip: place it high up in hanging planters to prevent pets from nibbling. The elegant peace lily is not only a stunning addition to any home but also a natural air purifier. Unfortunately, it contains insoluble calcium oxalates that can cause irritation, swelling, and vomiting if chewed or ingested. Care tips: prefers low to medium light and thrives in humid environments. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Safety tip: place it in a spot where pets can't nibble on the leaves. Aloe Vera is well known for its healing gel, which is great for burns and skincare. But did you know that the latex found under the leaf skin is toxic to pets? It can cause diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach discomfort if ingested. Care tips: loves bright, indirect sunlight. Water sparingly and allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Safety tip: keep it on a high shelf to prevent curious pets from chewing on the leaves. Snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is famous for its air-purifying qualities. But it contains saponins, which can cause nausea and vomiting if ingested by pets. Care tips: thrives in low to bright indirect light. Water only when the soil is completely dry. Safety tip: place it where pets can easily access it. CZ plant is known for its glossy, dark green leaves and its ability to thrive with minimal care. However, it contains calcium oxalates, which can cause irritation and swelling if mishandled or ingested. Care tips: prefers low to moderate light. Water only when the soil is dry. Safety tip: handle with gloves when pruning and keep it away from pets and children. Oleander is a striking flowering plant, but it's one of the most toxic indoor plants. Every part of the plant contains compounds that can cause severe poisoning, including heart problems, nausea, and even death in extreme cases. Care tips: requires bright, direct sunlight. Water deeply but allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Safety tip: if you have pets or small children, it's best to avoid oleander altogether. Caladium, commonly known as elephant ear, is admired for its colorful foliage. But it contains calcium oxalate crystals that can cause intense pain, swelling, and respiratory issues if ingested. Care tips: prefers bright, indirect light. Keep the soil consistently moist but avoid overwatering. Safety tip: wear gloves when handling and keep it out of reach of pets and children. Last but not least, we have English ivy. Its trailing vines make it a popular choice for indoor decor, but it contains saponins that can cause skin irritation, vomiting, and stomach discomfort if ingested. Care tips: grows best in bright, indirect light. Keep the soil slightly moist but avoid waterlogging. Safety tip: place it in high, hard to reach areas to prevent pets from chewing the leaves. Before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about calcium oxalate, a substance found in many of the plants we've discussed. Calcium oxalate forms tiny needle-like crystals that can cause intense irritation, swelling, and discomfort if ingested or touched. This is why plants like Dieffenbachia, Philodendron, peace lily, and Caladium should be kept out of reach of children and pets. If ingested, rinse the mouth immediately and seek medical help if symptoms persist. And remember, wear gloves when handling these plants to protect your skin. To enjoy these beautiful plants while keeping your home safe, here are some tips. Place toxic plants on high shelves or use hanging planters. Educate children about the dangers of touching or ingesting plants. Consider switching to pet-safe plants if you have curious cats or dogs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips and home improvement ideas. If you have any of these plants at home, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye for now.